like, I mean, just small talk with y'all. This channel is about whatever I post, and I'm not saying that to be funny. Because I don't want nobody coming on here assuming that it's all about automotive, and it's not. It's just mainly about whatever I decide to tape or post with my life. And anybody out there, you should do it even if you don't post it, because I mean, it gives your family something to look back on too. It's like hidden gems. Like, even if you don't tell nobody you made a video, now don't go hide it somewhere where they can barely find the motherfucker. But, and excuse my language.
Alright, what's going on? Out here trying to change some coil packs on this Traverse and hopefully get it back. Well, it's running, but it's misfiring on number 4. Now that I think about it, I just need to check and see if it's actually misfire. Well, it is misfire. Make sure the connection ain't loose and go from there. So hopefully it ain't. Oh, well, if it is loose, I doubt it though. Dang. Crazy part is, just now realizing these ain't right. These not the right type. I don't know if y'all be able to see that, but the cans that are on this one is, I can get a good, that's the can I need. See, and this get pulled out, and this to disconnect it. So that clearly ain't the right one. The ones I got just get slid in. So I guess I'm gonna have to make this trip back to you pull and pay, and hopefully they got them. So we'll see in a little bit. All right. All right. Excuse me for the loud throat, clearing my throat, but let me see. Back up here. Just returned them other two. About to put these gloves on and go see if the ones that's here actually is actually what we need. Let's see. You might can't see that. 11, 10. So we gonna go to, let's walk down here. Out here in flip flops. Cause I forgot my shoes. Should have been checking. This mug so high up. Let's see. Nope, those ain't it. It's the one. So obviously this ain't it. Pulled that yesterday, so let's go to 43.
That ain't it either. You can see right there, not the same style. So that one, the white one, this one, that ain't it either. But that's weird because I don't even see what color that's supposed to be. Gray, I guess. That don't look gray, but hey, let's see the black one. Let's see. Nope. That ain't it either. Alright. Next one, 2015. Row 36. I doubt that one. That one is too. Which means we will be going to the actual AutoZone or somewhere to get these. That's Arcadia, but that's still ain't it. That's crazy. Excuse me. I don't think I see it.
Even if it was it, that mug must have been clean. Alright. Well, it ain't none in there at all, so I'm gonna try to look up some options with similarities from vehicles. And actually, shit, this definitely ain't it, but this the same setup right there. Might be it. What's this? Look like a Buick GM. Oh, yeah, Buick LaCroix. Alright, well, I should have brought, well, I can't bring one. They in the car. Let me see. I'm just gonna be nosy. See if I can do something with this. This gotta be it. This definitely a work. Only question is it good though? 'Cause if it ain't good, then it's a waste of time. But hopefully it's good. I ain't got all day to wait, so I'm gonna go ahead, go check out, and might see you back in a second. Hopefully it works. Alright, we back. So, I don't know if I said this already, but at the junkyard, I was able to find these ones, which look just like them if I ain't mistaken. Could be wrong. I got 2 of them. I only need to replace one. But they from a Buick LaCrosse, which is a GM, so I'm assuming maybe at the same time of producing, that was a '07. Producing these Chevys, they just used these GM spark plugs and the same connectors. Now, this is hot. I don't think it's that hot. It ain't that bad. Let me see. Nah, that shit hot. Yeah, that's hot. So we're gonna pause this and we'll be back probably. Alright, what's going on? We back. It's been about a week. I think it just got late, so last time I was saying how I went to the junkyard, found them coil packs or whatnot off of 2007 Buick Sabre. But I mean, they look just like that one, but I ain't had time to really, I guess, get into it. So now we about to. I mean, hopefully this is what the problem is. I did have education in automotive, but I am not a mechanic. I didn't pay attention enough. Unfortunately, I was young and naive. You know, I mean, people told me about education. I ain't gonna sit there and say that, but I ain't understand it. Seeing is believing. Now that I'm older and I see it, I understand it. And I know what they was talking about now, but let me see. Let me get this camera angle right real quick. So this is, like I said, this is, look at this like a vlog. Me talking about what I'm going through, because it ain't got nothing to do with, it don't have nothing to do with, I'm not teaching nobody nothing, because shit, I can't even, excuse my language, I'm gonna have to beat that out, but I can't even guarantee this will fix it. This is just where I'm starting at. It's something new to me. Hopefully I ain't gotta take this all the way off. I can just get it to the point where I can get it out and go from there, but it might not be that easy either. So we're gonna see as we go through this. And only why I'm changing this coil is because I recently changed the spark plugs, and I know for a fact those should be good. And this misfiring so much that it's either it's the coil or something. Something is going on, and then sometimes it don't. When it's like a regular idle or something like that, for the most part, it's cool. But it definitely misfires a lot, so there's got to be something up with it. I'm gonna try not to cuss on. I don't know how YouTube works all like that, but for the language, but I'm gonna try not to cuss. Now hold on, let me go get this vacuum so I can get this debris off of here. I don't want this to slide. But yeah. So try to keep it PG. Alright, let's see if I can find it. guess if somebody is trying to do this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's actually one way down here, right here, right there, that one. Let's see. This camera is a Action 5, so it might show up clear when I look at it in a bigger screen. But right there, that boat. 6 of them. Let me try to get some more of this. I don't know. It's rusty. That's the one I just pulled out. I don't know if y'all can be able to see that. Well, you can see it. This the one that was sitting in a '07 Buick. I don't know how long it's been there, but let's see. What we about to see just changes up something. I need to check and make sure that's tight to the 5/8 for the Sport Club. Let's see. Oh, it's tight. Tight enough. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Now, I know I ain't gonna say we, but I know it's supposed to be like a cross pattern. I don't know the exact pattern. I'm not saying that you shouldn't try to find it, but I mean, I should know enough to get it to that point. And if I don't, that's on me. I'm willing to take that risk, I guess, say, but I'm not about to dig deep for the images. But if you can find a Haynes manual, those ain't bad. I think they got copies online too. I'm not really a big online reader because I like to physically have a book in my hand. So for that matter, I try to find the original copies, but I ain't found no copy for this '09 Chevy Traverse. And I'm, as a matter of fact, try to get a picture of the Misfire history to show. And this is why, like I said, I already changed the spark plugs, but this is why.
check on this one. Here. Tighten. Nope, they still good. Alright. See if I can. This one close. Show y'all. Plug everything back up before I start this. Harder than it looks. Leaves, everything. There's gonna be some good sound or some bad sound. But we gonna find out. Let's see. Let me get the scan to it.
show it. It's let's just start it. Five, 3. Four. Alright, well, so far ain't none on Misfire. I don't know if that history gonna clear yet, but I would rather not. Nah, it's still there. This is at idle. Everything at 0. And I'm pretty sure by now normally it would have misfired. So it should be good to go. It's a bad coil pack, which it ain't never been changed. So I'm assuming, unless the owner before me, well before us, had it and changed it. Other than that, that's the original coil since '09, 16 years ago. So hopefully, if you run into that same problem, it helps you. But like I said, this ain't a how-to video. This is just what I did and how I proceeded with it. So see y'all later.